Hello, this is a review for the Swiss Arms P1911. It's a CO2 BB pistol, semi-automatic blowback. It used to be made by Tanfoglio, but they've now changed it to now Swiss Arms. It's a very good gun. It's metal, quite heavy, it's probably almost as heavy as the real thing. And I picked it up from Ronnie Sunshine's, a very good shop that we went to pick all the gear up from. First off, we'll just clear the weapon. Okay, magazine out, rack it back, nothing inside the chamber. Okay, so the gun has two safeties. It has a grip safety here, so to actually fire the weapon you'll have to grip that. Without it you cannot pull the trigger. And on the other side you have what's called a thumb safety. So this will be here, and you swipe it off there, and then when you actually want to reapply the safety, you flick it up that way. So that's the safeties on it. The magazine here has the CO2 cartridge installed. You install it with an Allen key, which is here. Can be a little bit fiddly. You have to make sure it's tight enough to stop it making noises, but not so tight. If you over tighten it, it can blow and you'll basically lose a CO2 charge. The BBs fit down here, about 18 is the maximum. Sometimes I just load 7 or 8 for the more realistic magazine load, because the 1911 didn't carry 18 rounds. The gun itself is, as I said, a blowback, so every time you fire, the slide at the top here blows back and reloads another round. So obviously it won't actually do that because there's no magazine in there. It's fairly accurate. It's not super accurate, but then again it wasn't designed as a target pistol. It was a combat pistol, and that's how I actually use it. I fire from holster at carbon targets, and I found it very nice. It's starting to get a little bit of holster wear here. The overall performance of the weapon is very, very good. I think we've had just one problem with it, which was the magazine wasn't quite seated, and we had a bit of a feed problem with that. But that was basically down to user error rather than a problem with the actual gun itself. So yeah, I'm very pleased with the gun. It's nice and weighty. Pretty well much almost the same weight as the 45 ACP version of this, and I've had literally hours and hours of shooting. You can probably get through 3, maybe 4 magazines before it actually will start to lose its power, but it will fire right up until the bottle's almost completely empty. And on that note, I think we will go down the range and have a shoot. Thank you very much.